how you can change your Apple ID on iPhone. I'm using iPhone 12, so just head over to settings, and inside settings you can see your Apple ID iCloud account. As you can see here, I'm not accessible to the sign out option. So just if you are also facing same problem, just head over to screen time option down below here, and inside screen time, get inside below, and just you can see the option change the screen time passcode here. Hit on it and just turn off the screen time passcode. As you can see, it's turned off. Go back, just close the app once more, and again open your settings, head back to your iCloud account, and inside account, as you can see, sign out option is available now. Hit the sign out option. For this you need to enter your password. Let me enter my one, and after that it will ask you to keep your copy of your account on this phone. You can do so as you like. For me, I'll just keep it like this and hit the sign out option and sign out button, and it will load you for some time. You have to wait for it, and then done. You can now press the sign in option, and you can either use in another Apple ID on this device, or just sign in manually using your email address or phone number. So that is it, guys. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and also see you in the next one.